I recently upgraded my bathroom setup with this LED mirror, mainly because my current lighting wasn't giving me an accurate view when getting ready. I wanted something that would reflect how my makeup actually looks in different environments. It comes with all the tools you need. The installation process was very straightforward. It's a plug-in design, so there's no need for any electrical work. Once mounted and connected, it was ready to use within minutes. As soon as I turned it on, the difference in lighting was immediately noticeable. It even has an anti-fog setting. The mirror allows you to switch between different color temperatures, depending on the setting you're preparing for. You can also adjust the brightness, which helps create more controlled, even lighting. This makes it easier to see your skin clearly and apply makeup more precisely. The mirror is super lightweight and very sleek. Overall, it provides a much more accurate representation, which makes a noticeable difference in my routine.